Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. I hope all of you will be fine and safe at home. My name is Teacher Zunera. Today we are going to learn some new numbers. But before we jump and do something new, firstly, we will revise the numbers which have learnt already. See what we have. We have a shirt. Let's read this number. Think for a second. It's 52. Very good. Again, there is one more shirt. Which number is on it? Think for a second. Okay, very good. This number is 78. See what do we have next? There is one more shirt. Read the number on it. Which number is on it? This is 64. Students, you know, Isa did not get any shirt. And she is sad, but it's okay. She has some dolls' houses. And as you know, all the houses have numbers. See this yellow doll's house. Which house number is this? Yes, this is house number 24. अब हम एक और डॉल हाउस देखते हैं. See, Isa has another doll's house. Can you read this number? Yes, you are right. This is house number 69. Students, आपको पता है एक डॉल हाउस तो आयशा का बहुत ही फेवरेट है. चले आए हम इसका हाउस नंबर पढ़ते हैं. कैन यू रीड दिस हाउस नंबर? ओके, वेरी गुड. इट्स हाउस नंबर इज 73. आपने तो 0 से 79 तक नंबर बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रिवाइज कर ले और आपको तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ये नंबर आते भी हैं. चले आए अब हम देखते हैं हमारे पास नेक्स्ट क्या है. लेट्स सी व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 79. फर्स्टली वी विल काउंट द बीट्स इन वन बार. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is a 10 beat bars. This is a 10 beats bar. So student, let's count these all bars. 1 10 bar, 2 10s bar, 3 10s bar, 4 10s bar, 5 10s bar, 6 10s bar, 7 10s bar, 8 10s bar, 8 10s and 0 unit. 8 10s and 0 unit means 80. This is number 80. This is number 80. चलें देखते हैं हम 80 से कितने नंबर बना सकते हैं. 8 tens and 1 is 81. 8 tens and 1 is 81. 8 tens and 2 is 82. 8 tens and 3 is 83. 8 tens and 4 is 84. 8 tens and 5 is 85. 8 tens and 6 is 86. 8 tens and 7 is 87. Tens and 8 is 88. 8 tens and 9 is 89. आज हमने 89 तक नंबर्स बनाना सीख लिए हैं. Let's revise these all numbers. Read with me. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 and 89. Let's do it again. Read with me. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. It's game time. Here is a game for you. Here are few numbers which we have learned today. Arrange these numbers in order. These numbers are 82, 84, 81 and 83. Students, think for a second and tell me which number will come first. Yes, you are right. In this block, we will write 81. Here in a second block, we will write 82. In the next block, we will write 83. And in the end, we will write 84. Very good. आपने तो बहुत जल्दी से सीख लिया. Here is a second game for you. Write the missing numbers. जो नंबर यहाँ पर मिस हैं, हम इन्हें फाइंड करेंगे. Miss 87 and other miss. Students, let's think what comes before 87. Good. It's 86. 86. 86, 87 and what will come here? 88. Excellent. So be ready for notebook work. You have to write from 80 till 89. Start from the top line. Then you will write 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 and 89. Dear students, कोई भी नंबर ब्लॉक से बाहर ना जाए और हर नंबर ब्लॉक के टॉप और बॉटम लाइन को टच करे. You have to do this notebook work neatly and carefully. Okay, take care. Bye bye.